back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do upload new videos every single week, so stay tuned for that. And today's video is probably going to be one of my favorite videos due to it being a luxury designer unboxing video. So if you already follow me on my Instagram, you would have probably already saw the purse that I had gotten for Christmas. But if you don't follow me, this will be a total surprise for you. So I am super excited to do this one today. So let's unbox what I have together. So I had already opened it up because I was way too excited, but I want to do the whole experience all again with you. So this is the box, and it's quite large, and it's beautifully wrapped, which is nice. And if I take off the bow, the strap, and open it, it's gonna be really difficult to show you guys. And if I open it, it comes with a couple cards at the front. So the very first card is this one here. It says Saint Laurent. And if you open it up, it says, Saint Laurent, Merry Christmas, baby. I hope you love it. You deserve it. I love you. XOXOXO. So this is actually a gift from my fiance. We spoil each other rotten like crazy every year for Christmas. That's just something that we do for each other. And he just knows me so well. So I am super excited for this one. And then here is just the authenticity card. And then it's kind of attached with a little sticker there. And you open it up. And then it's like this. In a nice dust bag. I always keep the dust bags. And then the bag, oh, little squirrel wants to come see. And then the secret you've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. So this is the bag. Woo! As you can tell, I'm like so childish with this. And like, look how stunning and beautiful she is. I'm so happy and excited, and I'll tell you why as to why I love it. So this is the YSL Sunset Medium in grained leather, and it is the cream color, I believe, with the gold detailing. So the reason as to why I love this bag is because if you haven't already seen, again on my Instagram, I do have the YSL Kate small bag, and it is nice. It's beautiful. It's with the tassel. It's honestly one of my favorite bags as well. But I needed something a little bit bigger just because, you know, I'm a girl. I carry so much stuff in my purse with me. It's a beautiful bag for going out at night. If you just want to just throw your phone in it, a little lip gloss, and a couple cards, that's it. That's great. But I wanted something that's going to be a little bit more practical on an everyday basis. And of course, with it being this color, like I am a little bit scared of bringing this every day, but I think this bag is going to be so beautiful in the summertime. So I'm going to show you all of the details. So this is what it looks like. I love the versatility of this bag because you can wear it on your shoulder like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody. So I really love that detailing that you can wear it as a shoulder bag or you can wear it across the body. I also love the gold detailings as well. And also you get the famous YSL logo. You get this little, I think it's for your keys or something to attach to it. You can do that right there. And then at the back, you got a little secret hidden spot here that you can just slip your phone into instead of opening up this all the time. I wanted this color because I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more neutral for the spring and summertime, also fall, something that was versatile all through all months and seasons of the year. So that's why I wanted this neutral one here. And also a very, very, very good point for me to mention when you are seeking a YSL bag or any luxury designer bag, make sure that you are looking at the material of what the bag is made in. So this is 100% calf skin. However, it is grained leather. So if you can tell, maybe, it does have a little bit of a texture to it. And that is very important because with my Kate Smooth small bag, every time when I go to open and close, you can already start to see that the tassel is starting to make scratches at the leather, and that's a little bit hard to get out. So with this, with the grain leather, it does already have some texture to it. So if you were to get a scratch on it from maybe opening and closing it with your nails, or if something were to nick it, you wouldn't notice it that much. So that's why I wanted the grain leather. Very happy that I did. So when you go to open it, you have also multiple different compartments, which is another thing I wanted, is so that way I can stay organized. So this is a magnetic closure that it has. And then you've got your front pocket, a middle pocket, and then your back pocket. And then you also have, oh my God, this is so hard to show. And then you also have another pocket right here. So I love all of this because, again, you can stay organized. It kind of has like a suede material on the inside, but I really love it. And then you also see the Saint Laurent logo there as well. And I really love how it looks. Like, there's so many different details to this bag. I'm just so happy and obsessed. So just a couple more details I'm just going to read to you off my phone here of what the website represents. So the Saint Laurent monogram bag with front flap featuring side gussets, a chain and leathered shoulder strap that can be worn crossbody or doubled on the shoulder, a removable leather encased key ring, and metal YSL initials. So like I said, the purse is made from 100% calf skin leather. The dimensions are 22 by 16 by 8 centimeters. It's bronze toned metal hardware, suede lining, magnetic snap closure, interior, 2 main compartments, 1 flat pocket, 1 gusseted open pocket at the front. Exterior has 1 flat pocket at the back. The shoulder strap does about a 51 centimeter drop. Folded shoulder strap does about a 28 centimeter drop if you're trying to figure it out where it would sit on your body. And it's also made in Italy. So I got the cream color, and any questions that you do have in regards to the bag, please, please, please do not hesitate to reach out. And like I said, it's going to be a beautiful everyday bag, and I cannot wait to style this bag in so many different ways in different seasons. It's going to be a beautiful everyday bag. So like I said, if you do have any questions, please let me know. And until next time, bye guys.